Barcelona is the place. Home to contrast, diversity and cultural wealth surrounded by nature. The place to experience the Mediterranean character using all your senses. Where it's possible to recapture the energy of the gestural traits of Romanesque art or get lifted skywards by the colours of Gothic stained glass. The place where the sinuous forms of modernism carry you away and where the most cutting-edge architecture surprises you. The place to rest surrounded by nature among vineyards and to enjoy the gastronomy and local wine. The place where culture, gastronomy, sport, nature, sea, local commerce, history, tradition, innovation, sustainability and diversity are signs of identity and lifestyle. The place to discover culture and heritage. 2,000 years of history have shaped a diverse, cosmopolitan, intense way of living and feeling. The place to experience contemporary, Roman, Romanesque and Gothic architecture, with a walk through its historic quarters. The place where modernist buildings and traditions are UNESCO heritage. The place to visit more than 200 museums and dance at any of its festivals or local celebrations. The place to experience nature, parks, sea, gardens and mountains, with 14 natural spaces, more than 100 kilometers of coastline and amazing parks and urban gardens. Barcelona is the place to connect with nature. The place where you can walk on the sand or swim at its urban beaches, near cultural facilities or surrounded by Mediterranean pine forests. Where you can sail along the coast and walk among vineyards and olive groves. Where you can discover natural parks, watch the birds, ride in a hot air balloon or enjoy the green urban spaces. A place that respects nature and is committed to sustainability. The place to vibrate with sports. A long sporting tradition, cradle of centuries-old clubs and headquarters of great sporting events. Barcelona is the destination where spectators and sports enthusiasts are welcome. It is the place to enjoy the best international football, to experience the adrenaline of Formula 1 or MotoGP, to live the excitement of a regatta at sea, or to sweat your shirt in a race or marathon. Go hiking, climb up a mountain, practice paddleboarding, or even go on a snowshoe walk. The place to create and innovate. Barcelona is the home of universal geniuses like Miró, Picasso or Tapies, the worldwide capital of the mobile phone and an international benchmark in creativity and innovation. It is the place that will surprise you with the transformation of Poblenou, an old industrial neighborhood now at the heart of innovation. It is the place to see the most high-tech architecture in the 22 Art district, where many startups are set up or are on workation. A destination that has always fostered research, with the Fabra Observatory of the early 20th century, or now with the Mare Nostrum supercomputer. Barcelona never stops innovating and creating, always thinking about a more sustainable and accessible future. The place of authentic gastronomy. Barcelona is an international gastronomic reference, home to the Mediterranean diet, market cuisine, seasonal and farm-to-plate produce. Home to a constant gastronomic revolution, which combines tradition and authentic flavors with the innovation of internationally renowned chefs who cook to awaken your senses. The place that is committed to sustainable food. A wine territory with 4 appellations of origin for its wine, 1 for cava and a large number of Michelin-star restaurants. A paradise for even the most demanding palates. The place to shop. Barcelona is the place where shopping becomes a unique experience, where internationally prestigious brands coexist with local commerce. It is the place with the largest open-air showcase in Europe, the Barcelona Shopping Line Commercial Hub, where you can take a walk while looking at shop windows surrounded by modernist buildings, and have a coffee, an aperitif or lunch while enjoying Gaudi's modernist streetlights. Barcelona is the place of artisan products, of century-old shops, of local designers, of sustainable fashion, giving it its own identity. And it's also home to department stores and shopping centres, where you can find everything, enjoy the offer of restaurants, or even have a personal shopper accompany you. Barcelona, the place to be. If you have to choose a place in the world, choose Barcelona. It's a destination to find everything for everyone, where past and present, tradition and innovation, sea and mountains coexist in perfect harmony. The place that surprises you each time you return and discover that new things are always happening.